Hello friends, welcome to Funda and I am Teacher Sanibonani bangani, ngiyanamukela kaFunda, ngingu-Teacher. Today friends, we're learning a new trick with numbers called estimating. Namhlanje bangani sizofunda ukuqagela ngezinombolo. Estimating means making a smart guess about how many things there are without counting exactly. Ukuqagela kusho ukuthi awubali lezo zinto ukuthi zingaki. Mele uvele uqagele ukuthi zingaki ngaphandle kokubala. It's fun, it's like a guessing game. Kumnandi ukudlala umdlalo wokuqagela. But first, let's count going forward from 1 to 10. Asibaleni ukuya phambili ukusukela ku1 kunye kugcina ku10 ishumi. Ba 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 ba. Asibale izinombolo kwaze kwamnandi. Let's count numbers, it's so much fun. Asibale izinombolo kwaze kwamnandi. We'll go up to 10. Siya phezulu kulishumi. Then come down to 1. Bese siza phansi. Kunye 1. Kunye 2. Kubili 3. Kuthathu 4, kune, 5, kuhlanu, 6, isithupha, 7, isikhombisa, 8, isishiyagalombili, 9, isishiyagalolunye, 10, ishumi, 10, ishumi, 9, isishiyagalolunye, 8, isishiyagalombili, 7, isikhombisa, 6, isithupha, 5, kuhlanu, 4, kune, 3, kuthathu, 2, kubili, 1, kunye. Great job friends, umsebenzi omuhle bangani. Now it's time for our estimation game. Manje asidlaleni umdlalo wokuqagela. I'm going to show you some objects and you'll make a smart guess about how many are there. Ngizonibonisa izinto bese niyaqagela ukuthi zingaki. Okay, now I have a challenge for you. Look at these numbers. Bheka lezi nombolo. 5, kuhlanu, 3, kuthathu, 2, kubili, 4, kune, and 1, kunye. They are all mixed up. Ahlangahlangene. Can you help me put them in order? Ungangisiza ukuzibeka ngokulandelana kwazo. 1, kunye. 2, kubili. 3, kuthathu. 4, kune. 5, kuhlanu. Great job. Umsebenzi omuhle bangani. How many crayons are on the screen? Ama-crayon ayingaki? Great. Kuhle. 3 crayons. Ama-crayon amathathu. Asiphindeni futhi. Let's try again. How many apples are on the screen? Ama-apple ayingaki? That's right. 4. Yebo. Ama-apple amane. How many monkeys do you see on the screen? Ubona izimfene ezingaki? 6. Isithupha. How many blocks do you see on the screen? Ubona ama-block ayingaki? 2. Kubili. How many marbles do you see on the screen? Ubona ama-ali ayingaki? 5. Kuhlanu. Wow, friends, you did such an amazing job. Niyenze umsebenzi omuhle bangani. We counted and put numbers in order. Sibalile futhi sabeka izinombolo ngokulandelana kwazo. And learned how to estimate by making smart guesses. Bese safunda ukuqagela ngendlela ehlakaniphile. Estimating is such a cool skill. Keep practicing your counting and estimating. Ukuqagela ikhono elihle. Qhubekani nizijwayeze ukuqagela. Funda.